Today we're making homemade potato starch using just fresh potatoes and water. Homemade potato starch is naturally gluten-free, versatile, and a great alternative to store-bought starches. This is an easy, zero-waste kitchen technique, and it's perfect if you love making ingredients from scratch. Start by washing and peeling your potatoes, making sure they are completely dry before grating. This helps prevent excess water from diluting the starch. Grate the potatoes using a food processor for speed and consistency. Transfer the grated potatoes into a cheesecloth and squeeze out all the liquid into a bowl. Set the squeezed potato solids aside. You can use them to make potato rosti, and you'll find that recipe on the channel. For this process, we'll be using only the potato water. Strain the potato water once again through a clean cheesecloth to remove any remaining pulp. Add 1 cup of fresh water, cover the bowl, and set it aside for 24 hours. During this time, the starch will naturally settle at the bottom of the bowl. The next day, carefully drain off the water without disturbing the white starch layer at the bottom. Do not throw away the settled starch. Add fresh water again, cover, and let it sit for another day to further purify the starch. After the second resting period, carefully discard the water once more. Leave the starch uncovered in the bowl and allow for it to dry completely at room temperature. Once fully dry, blend the starch into a fine powder until smooth and uniform in texture. And there you have it, homemade potato starch made naturally at home. It is perfect for thickening sauces, baking, or gluten-free cooking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade pantry staples, and check out the potato rosti recipe on the channel.